All right, everyone. We are going to look at the Gate.io Jasmy chart here just because it has a lot more history and it tells kind of a different story from the other chart that we have on our list here. So that is the Coinbase chart, by the way. But this goes more along the lines, I think, what people are watching on Jasmy here. Of course, we'll cover it. We kind of switch back and forth between the charts to get a picture of what is going on. I know a lot of people are calling for the 5 cent mark as the next big resistance, which you can see the 382 is up here at 4.9, pretty much 5 pennies. And getting over that would be a big resistance because over the 382, that means you're bullish at that point. So looking here on this chart, you can see we just broke out over the 236 at 16. Like I said, not much different than the other chart. And you can see that from this support here, if this thing can get up to $1, that would give you a $50 billion market cap roughly. And you can see that is almost a 60x from this support here on Jasmy. So if you think Jasmy could go to $1, comment down below and we'll see what happens here. But there's a lot of mixed targets that I see all over the place. If you want to be very conservative, I think Jasmy's easily going to hit this 28 to 30 cent mark, giving it a $14 billion market cap. But I think that's very conservative. I think, it just depends. I think that Jasmy potentially could hit $1. It's going to depend on a lot of different factors, of course. But, we'll just have to all wait and see because nobody really knows. But I do think Jasmy from the support here, which it looks like it is coming back down to that level at about 16, currently sitting at 20. I would say, take it with a grain of salt, but I would say an easy 16 to 17x from this level here is almost guaranteed on Jasmy. So that is not a bad, return on investment just for that 16 to 17x here. So just take that information as you will. So we will go down to the daily chart really quick here and kind of see why she's holding support where she's holding support. If we simply draw from the low here to the high, you can see there's really nothing telling us there. So you could play around with a whole bunch of different Fibonacci's and try to catch where things are. So if we take this up to this pullback, then you can see going from this low to the high, you can see that the price of Jasmy is holding support rather well on this 382 level here, as you can see at 20. So I would say as long as you stay above 20, you're currently at 20.05, then you may bounce and start moving back up. But any lower than 20, then you are coming back down to that 236. And you can expect Jasmy to drop 19 to 20% here, which, like we said, from that level, you're almost guaranteed a 16x on Jasmy on your investment. So, if you're waiting to buy some more Jasmy, just watch 20. You fall below that. 16, in my opinion, should hold for support. I don't think we're ever going to go back below that price level there. So we will leave it at that on Jasmy. Good luck. Thanks for watching, and not financial advice. Peace out.